Did you know that dogs snore for the same reasons we do? It's true. Just like humans, dogs can have obstructed airways, which leads to those adorable yet sometimes loud snores. Their sleeping positions play a big role too. If they're curled up or lying on their back, it can restrict airflow, causing that familiar sound. Breeds with shorter snouts, like bulldogs and pugs, are especially prone to snoring because their anatomy makes it harder for air to flow freely. So, the next time you hear your furry friend snoring away, remember, it's not just cute, it's a little science lesson in action. Snoring is just one of those quirky things that make our pets so endearing.